What's up guys, Marcus Group here again, back in Sweden, and today we're in Bollekollen, and today I'm gonna try these bad boys. We're gonna go down here. So today I'm wearing the Nordwind Pro pants and the Hyper jacket because it's gonna get rough, tough, sweaty, dirty, and possibly rain. So this is perfect to protect me from water, but still not too thick. So if I'm sweating and getting hot, I'm not gonna sweat my ass off. So this is perfect. And these have stretch in the knees and in the ass, which is perfect when you're going biking. And then it protects you more extra here for the rain. And I also waxed these ones so they're extra protective in case it's gonna rain. But anyway, let's try these dirt bikes out. Gonna have a lot of fun.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel down in the dirt.
Check this car out. It's like Volvo monster truck. You got the dopest car of all. It's more fun in the back. All right, let's roll. And we're up. Woo! Thanks for the lift. First fall of the day. I went down like a little bitch. Yeah, I came from there and I was supposed to go up in this ramp, but totally there was a bit of wood in the way. So I went down. First fall of many to come. That didn't go so well, so I let the pros do it. I'm just gonna go on the green line. Alright, so I finally got a challenge. There's this big jump and then there's a smaller jump afterwards. And he said if you can make that whole jump, the small one, perfectly and get speed out of it, that's a good challenge. So that's what I'm gonna practice now. Let's see if I can do it. I really need better shoes because half of the time I'm fighting is keeping my feet on the fucking bike. My little baby, amazing dude. Okay, let's see if I make the jump. I'm not really sure which one he meant, but I'll figure it out. Big jump! Oh shit! Whoa! Woo! I made it! So the lift stopped, so I gotta get some free extra workout. Woo. Oh yeah, and top. Let's go black. Whoa! Up and up. Oh yes. Barely with it. Woo. Oh fuck! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Woo! I'm down! Man down! I didn't even do a cool fall. It was like the lamest fall ever. But this one is tricky. It's like roots and rocks everywhere and it's dirty and wet. Just like me. Oh, let's go. Okay, second try. Yeah, I was just like rock, root, boom, down to the side. Oh fuck! Peter was like, yeah, you should try the black one. I was like, yeah, now I see why, because he wants to see us fall. Holy shit! That is steep. Oh, you did it! Fuck! Ah! I did not. Fuck! Lean back. Okay, a good tip. Ooh. Ah! Finally, I'm falling, but I'm doing so lame ones. It's not like I'm going full speed and like boom. Ah, fuck my thumb. It is so steep, guys. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's like fucking 70 degrees. Whoop! Ah. Oh yeah, yeah. Ah. Ah. Whoa. Oh shit. I made it. I'm surprised. Oh shit. Oh, oh. Oh shit. I'm doing it! This looks intense. Oh, okay. Problem is, if you stop, you're kind of fucked. How the fuck are you supposed to get in there? Ooh, that was tough. Oh yeah. Fun challenge. Whew. Good job. The black one. Fuck. Only 3 falls. Alright guys, it's time for me and my baby here to go home. It's it for today. It's been an amazing experience here at Bollekollen. These guys are like super nice, and you can really tell they love to do this and just happy to have me here as a beginner, help me out and show me a really good time. And I do really recommend you guys trying this out. It's so much fun. Thank you guys for watching this adventure. See you guys soon.
Real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light.